Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram is not loading feeds after the new iOS 18 update. If your Instagram feed is not loading on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update, here are some steps to fix you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issues. Number one is close the Instagram app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is make sure your iPhone is connected to a smooth or stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, simply change your Wi-Fi connection. If you are using mobile data, make sure your data plan is available and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check Instagram app update. Tap on this App Store app. Tap on profile icon of the top right corner. Little bit scroll up. If update apps are Instagram app update is available, update your Instagram app and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is reinstall Instagram app. Tap on Instagram, tap on remove app, delete the Instagram app and reinstall and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is check iOS 18 compatibility. Ensure that Instagram is compatible with iOS 18. You can check the App Store description or Instagram support page for more information. If solution number six is not working, applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is reset your iPhone's network settings. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone network settings and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reboot your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 10 to 20 seconds. When iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is contact Instagram support. If none of the above steps work, reach out Instagram support team for further assistance. If all solutions are not working, closing and reopening the Instagram app, check for software updates, disable and re-enabling Instagram notifications, logging out and log back into your Instagram account and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply check your Instagram server. Visit Instagram's Twitter page or down detector to see if there are any reported server issue. Wait some hours or minutes to fix Instagram issue and fix loading feeds problem on your Instagram app. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Instagram feeds not loading on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.